So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install the OnePlus 9R Pro port for Mi11X Redmi K40 or the POCO F3. So the prerequisites are you need an unlocked bootloader and you can be on MIUI or any other custom ROMs. It can be Android 11 or 12, and you need to remove all your password and security. And if you're an MI account, remove your MI. If you're an MIUI, remove your MI account. If you're any ROMs based on AOSP, then you can remove your Google account. Then once after that is done, you need to download this firmware part and OnePlus 9R Pro port, ROM zip and TWRP. And after all files are downloaded, you can go ahead and reboot your phone to recovery by pressing the power button and clicking on reboot. Keep on pressing the power up button so that your phone will reboot into recovery. So the TWRP has booted. So now you can go to wipe, advanced wipe, and select your Dalvik card cache, then swipe to wipe. Once that is done, you can go to install. You can scroll down, select your firmware part. You need to deselect this option, automatically reflash TWRP after flashing a ROM, and anything else don't need to be selected. You can swipe to confirm flash. Since this is a firmware part, it will be just taking like 5-10 seconds to install this. So yeah, that's done. Now you can go to home, wipe, advanced wipe, select Dalvik and data, and swipe to wipe. So once that is done, you can go to home, install. You can select your ROM zip and don't select anything else, then just swipe to confirm flash. This ROM is a bit high, more in size, so you need to wait for the ROM to get flashed, which will be taking 2-3 minutes. So please wait patiently. So once that is done, you can ignore these fail to mount errors and go to home, advanced, install recovery RAM disk. You can select on this image, your TWRP image, and then swipe to install. So once that is done, you can go to home, reboot, and you can select your recovery. Let's wait for your phone to get booted into recovery. So as you can see, the boot logo itself has changed. So here we go, TWRP has booted. Let's go to wipe. Okay, this is just a touch driver which will get fixed in 5 seconds, so let's wait for that. Yeah, now go to wipe. Let me make it clear. Go to format data, then type in yes. This will result in wiping out all your data, pictures, and documents, so make sure to have a backup of them. Now once that is done, you can reboot the system. So as you can see, it's the OnePlus boot animation. So here is it, the ROM is booted successfully. So let me just quickly set up this phone. So setup is done, and this is how the ROM looks like. The performance issue has been updated and fixed, so this ROM has no performance issues from now. And let's go ahead and see the about phone. As you can see, about phone, processor Snapdragon 870, the camera and rest all information is given here. And this is the latest Oxygen OS build, I guess, of OnePlus 9R. And the Android version is 11, as you can see. And the kernel version they're using is no kernel. So as you can see, these animations which you get in Android 12 is here as well. And you'll be getting the Dolby Atmos pre-installed in this ROM, so we don't have any problem for that. And many other customization is also there in this ROM. So a quick review on this ROM will be done in this YouTube channel later, so please subscribe and stay tuned. That is all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.